Hello friends, I have received multiple demands from our colleagues in past few days to discuss the issues under PCPNDT Act where uniformity in implementation is lacking. As we all know, PCPNDT Act has created havoc amongst our fraternity members. The main reason behind this is not the act itself, but the main reason is because there are so many loopholes in the act itself. There are differences of interpretation of the act by different appropriate authorities. Different appropriate authorities implement the act haphazardly. And last but not least, the divergent judgments given by different courts have created fear amongst our fraternity members. So definitely there is a need to discuss all these things. We all know that PCPNDT Act is a central act, and central act is to be implemented all over India in a similar way. But in case of PCPNDT Act, in different states, it is implemented differently by different appropriate authorities. Even in a single state, there is no uniformity amongst the appropriate authorities in different districts. And somewhere, even in a single district, if there are more than one of appropriate authority, they are implementing PCPNDT Act differently. So this is the reason why there is a havoc in the fraternity. One by one, in the series of this uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act, we will discuss all the issues where uniformity is lacking and what should be the exact interpretation by the appropriate authority. We will discuss one by one in this series of our web meetings. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hello friends. In the series of uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act and rules, today we will discuss the monthly reporting. We all know under PCPNDT Act, Rule 9, subsection 8, it is mentioned that every person who is doing sonography should report to the appropriate authority, and complete report should be sent to appropriate authority before 5th of next month. So 2-3 things come in mind here. First thing, that what all things to be submitted at the time of reporting. Suppose you are submitting form F, then whether only form F is to be submitted or reference sheet copy is also to be submitted, reports is also to be submitted, prints are also to be submitted, and one copy is to be kept in our hospital. So here there is no uniformity at all. See, I am working for last 28 years, practicing in last 28 years in Gujarat, and since 2003 I am registered under PCPNDT Act. So that means I have done 17 years of practice under PCPNDT Act in Gujarat. What we are doing in Gujarat, we are submitting one copy of form F to the appropriate authority and nothing else. The copy of reference sheet, print which we give, and the report which we give to the patient, that copy we are supposed to keep at our place, and if appropriate authority wants to do inspection, they can come at a reasonable time to inspect everything at a place. So this is the procedure we follow. Now we are going for medical legal audit to many places. So in Chandigarh, we came to know that even in all Punjab with Chandigarh, they demand that copy of report, copy of print, copy of reference sheet, everything should be, and ID proof, it should be attached with form F and it should be submitted. So that means one form F 4-5 things are to be attached with it, and one copy is to be kept at the hospital and one copy is to be sent to the appropriate authority. And in case of report and print, that we are supposed to give to patient also. So that means, suppose you are doing sonography and you are taking print, then you are supposed to take 3 prints at a time, one for the patient, one for the appropriate authority, and one for yourself. Reporting, when you do, you are supposed to do reporting in 3 copies. One you are supposed to keep with you, one you are supposed to send to appropriate authority, and one you are supposed to give to patient. So all the things are illogical, and there is no such provision that everything should be taken into triplicate and to be sent to the appropriate authority. Now, coming to the system of reporting. See, in Gujarat, we are sending 1 copy of Form F in hard copy, as well as we are doing online submission. So we are also reporting online, and we are sending 1 copy of Form F. Now, suppose there is any discrepancy of 1 or 2 cases in online submission and your hard copy Form F, then appropriate authority creates the problem. See the fun. We are forced to do duplicate reporting, and if there is difference, what kind of difference it is? Suppose sometimes we file online application, but it is not saved by mistake. So if it is not saved, then it will not be shown on record. And suppose Form F are more than the online submission, they will create a problem. So this is the issue. And in Surat, district of Gujarat only, there they do not ask for Form F at all. They say that the register which you maintain, you should Xerox that register and you should send it to us. In Calcutta, they demand reporting in CD, and at different places, different kind of reporting system is there. In Mumbai, they do not collect Form F at all, and they are only demanding this online submission of Form F and the reporting. So, dear friends, there are different kinds of interpretation done by different appropriate authority, and there is no uniformity at all in the implementation of PCP and ATF. This is the duty of central government, Union of India, to clarify and to make the implementation of PCP and ATF uniform, as this is a central act. And every appropriate authority should be guided in a proper way that how reporting is to be done and how reporting is to be acknowledged. In many places in South, I have seen in Hyderabad, in Bangalore, that authority are not ready to give acknowledgement of the reporting. They are not giving acknowledgement before 5th. And later on, they may create problems. Suppose some NIMC team member comes, then they will see that acknowledgement is done on 7th. That means you have reported not within 5 days of the next month. And this creates the problem. So, dear friends, there is a need for the uniform implementation of PCP and ATF. There is need to develop uniform procedure of monthly reporting. There is a need to say that only 1 copy of ID proof, 1 copy of this report, and 1 copy of print should be enough, and nobody should be forced to take multiple prints. Otherwise, doctor will not be able to do his own work. He will not be able to concentrate on his work, and he will become literally Xerox person or a clerk. So there is a need of logical and uniform implementation of PCP and ATF. In Chandigarh, we have seen that appropriate authorities are demanding photographs of the patient even. Now, separate photograph. Now, in every hospital, they are supposed to tell patient to come with photographs if they want to undergo sonography. Suppose one patient undergoes sonography for 5 times, then she has supposed to come with the 5 into 2, that is 10 photographs. So these are all illogical things, and they should never be entertained, never be followed. But as appropriate authority under PCPNDT Act has vast powers, so they come under the threat of PCPNDT authority, and they follow even the unreasonable and illogical orders and I can say GRs, resolutions, unreasonable resolution of the appropriate authority. Doctors are following, and that is not correct. There is a need for uniform implementation of PCPNDT Act regarding reporting. Thank you very much.